morning. So this is now the fourth video on the Nexdock that I'm doing, and these are stuff I found in the end of the bag that I didn't even realise I had. So we've got an adapter to some weird looking plug, don't know where that's from. I think that's US, could be wrong, but anyway, it's also a weird looking adapter. UK Ireland power adapter, which is handy given that that's what I will need. Here's the power adapter itself. So it's let me see, can you read that? Because I can't from that. 5 volts 3 amps, 9 volts 3 amps, 12 volts 3 amps, 15 volts 3 amps. Yeah, so anyway, it seems to be a fairly powerful charger, USB type C. There is this, so it is mini or micro USB into USB-C, and then also you've got HDMI to micro HDMI. So the reason I was looking for this was because I'm now going to be hooking this up to a Raspberry Pi to play around with. I've got a Pi 4 somewhere on my desk, but like everything else, it is somewhere on my desk. Not sure where. I have to go looking for it. But anyway, yeah, next video I will hopefully have that one up and running. Thanks.